In this video, I will show you how to make a huge amount of money using YouTube. But you don't need to film yourself. You don't need any camera in this strategy. And the insane thing here, it's available on all continents around the world for completely free. You don't need to invest money in this manner. All you need to do is follow all the steps in this video and you will be able to start making money right away. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. You heard that right. We will be using YouTube today to earn money online. And some of you already know the requirements in order for us to be monetized on YouTube. It requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. The subscribers and the watch time are not easily obtained because it takes process. Aside from teaching you how to get money on YouTube for monetizing, I will teach you also how to earn money without being monetized. So much for that, the video that we will be creating on YouTube is all about workout music videos. There are several reasons why this kind of music videos we will be creating. First, it has more views, and of course, more views and more money. The most popular video on this channel is this one. It has 28 million views. It's totally insane. And as you can observe, it's not the only video that has millions of views. This one has 19 million views, 13 million, and many more million, as you can see. People literally love this kind of music video. The second reason why this kind of video we will be creating is very easy to create. As you can observe, these videos essentially consist of royalty-free images and copyright-free music. Take a look at this example. The most popular video on this channel is this one, and as you can observe, it only consists of one image and a couple of pieces of music. It's very easy to make this kind of video, and I will show you where to find high-quality images. Also, copyright-free audio. Most of the audio in this channel has a couple of clips in the beginning. In this video, the clip only lasts for 32 seconds and the rest of the video is just a simple image. And if you want to include some clips in your video, you don't have to worry because I will show you where to find those as well. If you come to socialblade.com and search the previously known YouTube channel, you will see that this person is making a very large amount of money. According to this website, workout music is earning $218 to $3,500 a month. The number is basically in between. But in this case, if you come back to the channel, you will notice that the videos are very long. And this is very important because the longer the video, the more ads you can fit in. And of course, the more money you can make. The best part is, this channel has 63 videos only, as you can see. Anyways, let me show you how to make those videos. Let's start with clips and images. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. The first platform that we will be using is pixabay.com and the second one is pexels.com. This is a similar site wherein you can find royalty-free images and video clips that you can download and use for free without any copyright strikes. So it's completely okay to use it on our music videos on YouTube. And basically, all you need to do is to search for a workout or fitness-related images. In my case, I will search for fitness on Pexels. And you can see an infinite number of images related to fitness. And these images are absolutely stunning. This kind of image is perfect for those kinds of music videos we will be creating. And if you find images that fit in your content, just hop in your mouse, maneuver it to the upper left of the site, and click on Free Download. But before clicking on the download button, just choose your resolution first. To do that, click this little arrow. Anyways, pexels.com and pixabay.com are all looking the same. But if you want to download clips just like the previous channel does, just click on videos in the upper left corner. And on this page, you will see the clips available on this site related to fitness. All you need to do is click the clip you want and click free download on the upper right. Now, we already have clips and images. All we need to do now is to find the music. And as far as music is concerned, the best place to find it is YouTube itself. Let's go to the YouTube audio library. There are several reasons you will be using the audio library. First, you can find thousands of songs here, and the good thing is, you can use it without any copyright strikes. In order for you to accurately choose the music that you will be using is to use its filter. You can do it by maneuvering your mouse on the upper left portion and clicking this one. You may choose a mood and then click on inspirational, since the videos that we will be creating are motivational music videos. And now, it shows all the inspirational music. Apart from that, you can also filter from genre to duration and many more. This will allow you to find the best songs for your music videos. And you can also preview this music by clicking on this icon. And in terms of how to download, it's very easy. Just go to the right portion and click download. I will recommend that you download at least 10 audios because we will be making close to an hour of music video. Now that we already have our clips, images, and audio, we will proceed to the next process, which is combining them. All you need is video editing software. One of the best software and absolutely user-friendly available in the market right now is openshot.org. All you need to do is to click download here. But if you have any editing software available, you may use that also. In my case, I will show you how to create this kind of music video using Adobe Premiere. Now I'm in Adobe Premiere. All I need to do is to upload all the necessary audio files and images. And let me show you what it looks like. This one is the image. All I need to do is drag this photo until the end of the audio. And that's it. And see, it takes me not more than 60 seconds to do this process. Now you already have the video that is ready to be uploaded on YouTube. It's time for me to show you a site wherein you can earn money before being monetized. The website mentioned is kit.co. This website will allow you to create shoppable collections of your favorite products and group them into kits so that your followers can buy the tools you can't live without. This will allow you to group some products related to your content. Since we're creating videos related to fitness, all we need to do is grab those stuff that is related to workouts and copy the link and paste it on the description box of the YouTube channel. Let's do the math at this time. If you have a product that costs $50, then 10 people buy it, you will have $500. This has enormous potential, and if you are being monetized on this platform, you will now earn thousands of dollars passively. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.